In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and edit labels in Trello. Labels are one of the simplest ways to bring order to a busy board. They add quick visual cues so you can glance at a card and instantly know what's urgent, what's design related, or what belongs to a specific stage. Think of labels as lightweight tags that help you organize and categorize your tasks without changing how your board is structured. Let's start inside a card. Open any card you want to organize. On the right-hand side, you'll see a menu. Click Labels. A panel will appear with a set of colors and, in many cases, names. Choose the label you want to apply to the card. That's it. Your card now carries that visual tag. If you're working through multiple cards, this is a reliable, focused way to apply labels while you're already in the details of a task. If you prefer to move faster from the board view, you have two convenient options. First, hover over any card and click the pencil icon that appears. Then choose Edit Labels. You'll see the same label panel, and you can select the color or title that fits. Or if you love keyboard shortcuts, hover over the card and press L on your keyboard. This instantly opens the label selector so you can pick a color or title to organize and categorize your tasks without ever leaving the board. It's a great habit if you're processing a lot of cards in one session and want to stay in the flow. Now, let's talk about naming labels so they're meaningful. From the Edit Labels menu, hover over any color and click the pencil icon to rename that label. Give it a clear, short title like Urgent, Design, or Review. The goal is to make the meaning obvious at a glance. Keep names consistent across your board so your team reads them the same way every time. If a label's purpose changes, come back to this menu and update the name so the color and title still match your workflow. With these simple techniques, adding labels from inside a card, using the board view with the pencil icon, or pressing L to move even faster, you'll keep your Trello boards clean, scannable, and aligned with your priorities. If you found any value in today's video, hitting that like button is a small gesture that makes a huge difference in helping others find our content. We're always looking to grow, so please drop a note in the comments, whether it's a specific part you enjoyed or a suggestion on how we can level up our production. We read every single one, and your feedback directly shapes what we build next.